Hey, Sam here from Ohh Deer, and I'm here to give you the very first look at January's Papergang box. There it is, we're done. Papergang is a monthly stationery subscription designed by an independent artist, hand-packed at Ohh Deer HQ and delivered right to your doorstep. We always work with independent artists on the box and the contents, which means what you receive each month is limited edition and exclusive to me and you. Once we've sold them, that's it, there's no going back. This month's artist is Lenya Lakowski, and you can check the Instagram of the artist out by clicking on the link. I don't know where that will be. We collaborate with TreeAid, who work with communities in the dry lands of Africa to help relieve them of poverty and starvation. Every Papergang box sold helps plant trees. I think that's everything you need to know. Shall we open it up?
Lenya has channeled inspiration from nature here. Just look at the creatures on this box. Oh, that's so cute. We have an apple, a pear, they almost look edible, and then birds, cats, a grasshopper, and this sneaky little heron over here hiding away. Okay, just open that up. We've got a nice pop of orange, which gives us a nice bright feel. A timeless colour that will take you through the entire year. The contents of this box is worth £29. Let's start with the planner. Let's have a look at this. So it's got a lovely fabric texture along the spine here. It's a really high quality. It feels heavy to hold, if you know what I mean. A lovely bright orange bookmark there, and here you can put your name and details to really personalise this planner and make it your own. The planner is completely undated, so you don't have to use it day by day in order. You can have a section for recipes, a section for family, with a monthly view at the back and a space for doodles. You can really track your progress over the coming year. Okay, we have a lovely print here with gold foil text on it. That is frame worthy, surely. That deserves to be in a frame. Or you could write a note on it and send it to a friend. We've got post-it notes here. These are ideal for marking your place in your planner, so you can leave notes on the outside like this. Leave passive-aggressive notes for your housemates or family. And conveniently, only a part of it is sticky, so you can use it as a bookmark and it won't collect all fluff. A set of 3 pencils. Be kind, be positive, and be brave, along with a lovely gold metal sharpener. Really high quality. You can use these pencils to help you with inspiration throughout the year if you do need a reminder to keep positive. I think we all do at this moment in time. And finally, we have a booklet here with the artist Lenya's details in, and it gives you the details of what's inside the box, and there's a nice little surprise in this month's edition, but I'll keep that a secret.
Lenya has designed the artwork on this box exclusively for us, so you won't find this content anywhere else. This stationery only appears in January's Papergang box. The last 2 boxes sold out, so if you don't want to miss out on this month's box, then be sure to subscribe if you go to papergang.com. We deliver worldwide, so you don't have to worry about not being in the UK. We can ship it out, no problem. If you want to join the Papergang community, then you can go over to our Instagram, @thepapergang, and you can click subscribe on our YouTube channel here so you can keep up to date with the latest independent artists that we're working with each month to bring you a brand new Papergang box. See you next time!